Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Che, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a 3-petal scallop lace which is worked in the long rows, and to work this particular sample I have used my hobby store premium acrylic anti-pill 5-ply yarn, and I have used two sizes clover crochet hooks 5.5 and 4.5. 5.5 to make the base chains, and then the rest of the work I work with my 4.5 clover hook. It is advised or advisable to begin any pattern when it is worked with a foundation chain to work it with 1 mm larger hook so that it doesn't shrink when we complete the project. If you work with the same size hook, you should ensure that the chains are loose in the base, otherwise it is always best to work with 1 mm larger hook. So let's go into the video for this pattern without any delay. Chain multiples of 7 plus 3. So I shall chain multiples of 7 plus 3 and get back. I have chained 35 plus 3, 38 chains. Now place a double crochet in the fourth chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the back bump. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 double crochet in each chain all across, and work your DCs in the back bumps. That will give a neat finish for this particular lace which is worked in the long rows. Okay, I shall complete the set of DCs and get back. So after placing the DCs as the first row, chain 1 and turn and place a single crochet in the very first DC, chain 8, slip stitch in the fourth chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So a picot is made. Now chain 4, skip 6 doubles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and place a single crochet in the 7th double. Again chain 8, slip stitch in the 4th chain from the hook, chain 4, skip 6, 6 doubles and place a single crochet in the 7th DC. So every 7th double will have a DC, and between these every 7th double will have a single crochet. Between these single crochets you have a chain 4, a 4 chain picot and a chain 4. So continue the stitch pattern till the end of the row. So after completing row 2, this is how the lace looks. Now chain 4 and turn. This chain 4 is considered as one treble. Now we have to work 3 trebles together in the picot that we made in the center space that is created by the picot. So do not complete the first treble. Second incomplete treble, third incomplete treble, and yarn over, pull through all 4 loops on the hook. Now chain 5, three trebles together again in the same space of the picot. Chain 5 again, So one more set of 3 trebles together in the same chain space created by the picot. So this is how this 3-petal scallop develops into. Now place a treble on the single crochet here. So in every chain space created by the picot, going to make 3 trebles together, chain 5, 3 trebles together, chain 5, 3 trebles together, and then you're going to place a treble on the single crochet that we did in the row 2. So continue the stitch pattern all through. I shall also complete and get back. So I have completed the small sample of the 3-petal scallop lace. This is how it looks, and this is worked in long rows, so we should determine the length required in the beginning itself, and according to the length required we have to chain multiples of 7 plus 3 to work this particular pattern. It's a simple 3-row pattern. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you happen to be the first time here for our channel, please do subscribe, like and share our videos. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Bye for now. Have a great day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video.